Welcome back, friends. This is another short video that I thought I would make just to show you all of the small but really important jobs that we needed to take care of after moving into the house. First off, my husband is fixing some of the plumbing issues that we were having in the bathroom. There was a leak and a couple of pipes needed to be replaced, so he went ahead and did that. We also had to get the chimney cleared, as this was our main source of heat, and these two gentlemen came, did a fabulous job, removed any debris that needed to be removed, and showed us how the correct way to start a fire. After a really bad windstorm, we had some not so great news. In the upstairs loft, one of the sliding doors cracked and we needed to get that replaced. Also, during that same windstorm, the power had gone out, so we had to call the city to come and replace that. Once that was up and running again, my husband had to replace the locks on the back door through the laundry room, as there was a big gap and it wasn't very efficient for any heat retention, as well as keeping the rain and the wind out. So we went ahead and fixed that. And then after we decided that in order to make the house a little bit more comfortable to live in, we installed heaters in all of the rooms. That was a huge help. Also, with the replacing of the heaters, we also replaced the hot water heater and had to run a new gas line from the exterior of the house in through the side of the wall. So that had to be done. And then lastly, my dad and my mom came for a visit, and here's my dad fixing a vent to the inside of the laundry room as it gets really humid with both the machines running as well as the hot water tank. So he was just siliconing one of the air vents onto the wall so that we could get some good airflow. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.